Welcome to another lesson where we are going to be talking about directed numbers application. The question reads, a thermometer shows a reading of 12 degrees Celsius. Write the new readings that would be displayed after each of these changes in temperature. So the best value that we're going to be dealing with is 12 degrees Celsius. So when we add, we are adding to 12 degrees Celsius. When we subtract, we are subtracting from 12 degrees Celsius because that's the value that we have been given. So before we start answering these questions, I just want to explain something. Here on these questions, we have other words that represent the same things as addition and subtraction. You are going to see that there is words that mean the same as addition. Those words are increases, warms up, rose. Rose is from the word rise, and when something is rising, it's going up, so it's the same as addition or adding. And also you're going to realize we have the word subtraction, which means the same thing as decreases, cools down, and dropped. But when something is dropping, it's going down. When something cools down, it means the temperature is going down. So it's the same as subtraction or subtracting. So now the questions are increases by 3 degrees. So what it means is we are adding 3 degrees to 12, and we are going to get our answer is 15 degrees Celsius. And then number 2 says becomes 8 degrees Celsius cooler, which means we are going down, and that is subtraction. We are subtracting 8 from 12. Remember, we said 12 is our base value, so everything that we're going to be adding or subtracting, we are adding it to 12. So now here we're saying 12 minus 8, and we're going to get our answer is 4 degrees Celsius. And the next question reads decreases by 13 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to say 12 minus 13, and if we go on a number line, I'm just going to draw a quick number line here. I'm going to put 0 in the center, and to the right of 0 we have positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And to the left we have negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So you can have a very long number line practically to match what you want to deal with. So this is what my screen accommodates. That's why I've only written just a short number line. So now I'm going to say 12 degrees minus 13, which means I'm going to move 13 times from 12. So here is 12. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Remember, we said subtraction is movement to the left, so that's what I am doing here on the number line, and you're going to get your answer is minus 1 degrees Celsius And number 4 says warms up by 9 degrees, which means we are going up, and that is addition. We are adding 9 degrees to 12 degrees Celsius. So if you also want to do it on the number line, it's simple. You just come to 12 on the number line, which is here, 12 on the number line. So if I add 12, let's say this is 12, and I'm adding, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is movement to the right, and that's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, I made a mistake here. I'm supposed to end at 21. So my answer here will be 21 degrees Celsius. Next question, it says the temperature rose by 22. So it's just simple. We are adding the 22 to 12. So here we get 4, and here we get 3, and that's 12 plus 22 degrees Celsius, and you get your answer is 34 degrees Celsius. And we move on to the next. The next question says the temperature dropped by 28. So we are saying we are subtracting 28 from 12. Subtracting 28 from 12. So we can do it this way. This is the other way when you see that the numbers are too big. When you see that the numbers are too big to be written on a number line, this is how you do it. Here you're going to realize that 12 is smaller than 28. But if you want to calculate it in an easier way, you can take the bigger number and subtract the smaller number, and here you're going to get 6, and here you're going to get 1. But since the smaller number is subtracting a bigger number, what it means is your answer is going to be negative, and then you consider this answer that you would have gotten from the calculation, which is 16, and your answer will be minus 16 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The next question reads, the temperature decreased by 7 degrees, then it increased by 12 degrees. So if we are to write that, we are taking our base value as 12 degrees, and then it dropped or decreased by 7. We're going to subtract 7, and then it increases by 12 degrees Celsius. So we can do it this way: 12 minus 7, you get 5, and then that 5 you then add it to 12, and you get your answer is 17 degrees Celsius. 17 degrees Celsius. The next question reads, the temperature warms up by 3 degrees, and then a further 9 degrees. So we are saying 12 degrees warms up, which means we are adding, and then further 9 degrees also, which means we are adding in both instances. At first it increases by 3 and then it also increases by 9. So you can add in parts. 12 plus 3, you get 15, and then you say 15 plus 9, you get your answer is 24. So the answer is 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The next question, number 9, it says the temperature cools 15 degrees before warming 19 degrees Celsius. So we are taking 12 as our base value. So that's 12 minus 15, and then warms up 19, which means we are adding plus 19. So if we do this in parts, we are saying 12 minus 15 will give us an answer of minus 3. The reason is a smaller number is subtracting a bigger number, and when a smaller number is subtracting a bigger number, you get your answer as negative. But then you just say 15 minus 12 and you get your answer is 3. So we're saying minus 3 plus 19. So if you come to minus 3, or you can just do it like this, you just put minus 3 there and you count 19 times going to the right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here this is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you're going to get your answer is 16 degrees Celsius. And number 10 reads the temperature changes to 0 before dropping 4 degrees. So there is two things that are happening there. The first thing is the temperature changes to 0, but remember the temperature that we have here is 12 degrees. So 12 degrees is changing to 0. How does 12 degrees change to 0? It means we are getting rid of the 12, which means we are subtracting the 12 from 12 degrees, and then it drops again 4 degrees. So we are subtracting 2 times. So we're saying 12 minus 12 is 0, and 0 minus 4, if we come to the number line, movement to the left, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You get your answer here is minus 4 degrees Celsius. So the answer here will be minus 4 degrees Celsius. So this is why I always stress the importance of the number line. You need to know how to use the number line for addition and subtraction of directed numbers. It's very important to know how you apply the number line when you're answering your questions. So you can have a long number line that you keep by you, so that whenever you get questions that need you to use a number line, you just refer to it and you do it the way that I've explained. Movement to the right is addition, and the movement to the left is subtraction. So we are going to look at further examples going forward, but I just need you to watch this video more than more than once until everything sticks. And I will see you in the next lesson. Cheers.